Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. And today I have a really easy recipe for you. This is not going to be a long video because it's not going to take a long time to film. I wasn't planning on filming today, so bad hair day, not clean kitchen, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you anyway. I'm making some chicken breasts in the slow cooker. Why? Because we just went on vacation last week. It's our anniversary week. We went to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, which is great. Had wonderful seafood all week and tried to stay pretty much clean keto the whole time. But you know how it is on vacation. You're not working out every day, blah, 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 blah. Restaurant food. So I need to do strict Precision PSMF until I get back to my clothes fitting well. I don't weigh myself. I hate the scale. I just go by how my clothes fit. My clothes are a little tighter after coming back, so strict Precision PSMF for me for a while until I feel fine again. So it's chicken breasts. And I have 4 chicken breasts, and I have them on parchment paper because chicken breasts, this way I don't have to do a lot of cleanup. I cut off as much fat as possible because this is a PSMF day, so no added fat, or not, and taking off as much fat as possible. I have my slow cooker here, and to that I'm going to add about a half a cup of chicken broth, and this is chicken stock. It's Food Lion brand because there is no added sugar in it. So the Food Lion and Walmart brands are the only 2 brands I have found that do not have sugar in them. But you have to read the labels because there's a chicken stock and there's a chicken broth. The chicken broth has sugar, the chicken stock doesn't. The beef stock has sugar, and the Walmart and Food Lion are opposites. So in here, these are the spices I'm going to use. Now, this is not exact. You know, I have a half a cup of chicken broth. If you need a little more, need a little less, that's fine. And these are the spices. These are just what I'm using. You can use whatever spices you want. Right now in here, I have a teaspoon of salt, pepper, tarragon, cumin, garlic, onion, paprika, and that's just what I'm using today. That doesn't mean I would use this all the time. And since this is for PSMF days, I'm not adding any oil. If you're not doing PSMF, you could just coat them lightly with a little bit of olive oil before you put the spices on. Now I'm just going to, and I may not use all the spices. I just didn't know exactly how much I would need, so I just did a teaspoon of everything. And if there's leftover, there's leftover. Now I'm just going to put this in the slow cooker with the, I'll just pat in the spices. Now just layer this in the slow cooker. And now I'm going to put spices on the top of it. And again, whatever spices you want. I love cumin, so I added cumin. If you like thyme, put in thyme. I have a little tarragon. Carl loves tarragon. And this just makes your Precision PSMF days not so boring. Because just plain baked chicken breast can get boring. I am going to use all these spices. Probably too much, but... And then it has a little bit of the broth, so it'll be a little juicy. I might add a little more broth. There's plenty of broth, but I like to pour it on top after it's cooked. So I'm going to put this in my slow cooker. And so for chicken breasts, cook them on high for 3 to 4 hours. Cook them on low for 4 to 6 hours until the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees. So after, I'm going to put these in on high for 4 hours, and then I'll check the temperature. And then we'll come back and taste it. So delicious chicken breasts with some spices for Precision PSMF days. Well, I've just taken the chicken out. I had it on low, and I thought it was going to take about 5 hours, but it took a lot less time than that. It's going to depend on how hot your slow cooker is. My slow cookers tend to be very hot. And so it didn't take as long, but it looks absolutely delicious. This is it. This looks so good. And there's enough juice in the pan that I can put some juice on it. And it's a great PSMF meal. It's chicken breast, spices, and a little bit of chicken stock. That's it. Perfect for PSMF days. No added fat, no carbs, but I'm going to try it now. That was a big bite. I shouldn't be talking with my mouth full. It's moist, it's not dry, a really good precision protein sparing dinner. Chicken breast, fat taken off, spices, a little bit of chicken stock, put it in the slow cooker, check the temperature every once in a while, at least 165. This was way over, this was actually 200 degrees, and it's still moist because the slow cooker and the broth keeps it nice and moist. So, PSMF days, this is a great low-fat, no-carb meal. Enjoy.